This is everything you need to know to install a panel heater. Hey, my name is Alistair. Panel heaters are a great way to warm up your home during the colder months. So let's get into it. Before we drill into any walls, we need to select a position for our panel heaters, keeping in mind the closest power point. Not too close to any existing shelving or bedding. You can use a stud finder to make sure you don't drill into any existing wires. If there is no stud to drill into, you can use a plaster plug. Mark the position on the wall using a pencil. Once you've removed the heater, make sure the line you've drawn is level. Now that we marked the position, it's time to screw in the bracket before attaching the heater to the bracket. All that's left is to plug this into the power point and switch it on. And there you have it. That's how you install a panel heater. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.